you guys jumping out here in North Shore of Oahu. Woo! We were surfing all day. And look at this, we're set roll through. Damn! Woo! He's getting it! Alright, now we're all dressed. We're ready for this walkthrough. Come check it out. From surf to beach, how easy can it get? Four beds, 2 baths, 4.2 million. We got an outside shower right here. I'm just gonna water off my feet, and then we'll do a nice little video walkthrough. Let's check it out.
This place is unbelievable. While I was here, I wanted to check out some real estate, and when you're on the beach in a prime location like this, it doesn't come cheap. 4.15 million, and you can see why. Look at this, breaks out back. This is Sunset Beach. There's 2 surf breaks right here that I surfed all day. It was amazing. And then down the line, you can almost see to the left right there in the distance is Pipeline, the most influential and popular surf break in the world. And then updated kitchen inside, open floor plan, nice layout, plenty of windows for the views. That is Sunset Beach out back, and the deck in the living room flow all towards the views. It is a 4-bed, 2-bath. I would sleep in this room. It's a nice little deck to the front yard, which you see here with plenty of parking. We had 3 cars there and we had room. The backyard is amazing, and then look, you can get barreled out back. Huge thanks to Adrienne Lilly. He's the listing agent with Keller Williams here, and he let us, stay here, surf, and film this video, which is amazing. Got to really see firsthand what real estate is like here, and it is amazing. Your awesome location. You can walk to the bakery across the street and watch the sunset out back.